Welcome to my channel Study Academia. Today we will be doing 25 important questions from Indus Valley Civilization from Poonam Dalal Dahiya's book.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
Before starting the first question, my ancient history playlist is in my description box. Please visit my description box and follow the link for more updates. The first question is, terracotta model of ship is found at Lothal, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro or Alamgirpur? The answer will be Lothal. From Lothal, we found a terracotta model of ship. Next question is, a stone-cut reservoir has been discovered at Surkodara, Kalibangan, Dholavira or Harappa? The answer will be Dholavira. From Dholavira, we found a stone-cut reservoir. Next question is a match the following question. We have to match column 1 with column 2. In column 1, we have Harappa, Dayamabad, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, and in next column, we have Copper Elephant, Bronze Dancing Girl, Granary outside Citadel and Fire Altars. So the answer will be, from Harappa, we found Granary outside Citadel. From Dayamabad, we found Copper Elephant. From Mohenjo-daro, we found Bronze Dancing Girl. And from Kalibangan, we found Fire Altars. Next question. Consider the following statements and mark the option which is correct. The first statement is, the first man-made port was found in Harappa. The main crops of Indus Valley civilization were wheat and barley. The third statement is, the largest Harappan settlement in India is Rakhighari in Haryana. And the last statement is, the largest number of settlements are in Ghaggar Hakar Valley. Among these four statements, the correct answers will be 2, 3 and 4. The main crops of the Indus Valley civilization were wheat and barley. This is correct. The largest Harappan settlement in India is Rakhighari in Haryana. This is also correct. The largest number of settlements are in Ghaggar Hakar Valley. This is also correct. In column 1, we have Mohenjo-daro, Chanhu-daro, Harappa, Lothal. And the persons, we have Dayaram Sahani, S.R. Rao, R.D. Banerjee and N.D. Majumdar. We have to match this with these persons. So the answer will be, Mohenjo-daro was excavated by R.D. Banerjee, Chanhu-daro was excavated by N.G. Majumdar, Harappa was excavated by Dayaram Sahani and Lothal was excavated by S.R. Rao. Now the next question is, we have to match these rivers with the sites. In rivers, we have Ghaggar, Ravi, Indus, Bhogabo, and the sites we have Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal and Harappa. So the answer will be, Mohenjo-daro is in Indus River Valley, Kalibangan is in Ghaggar River Valley, Lothal is in Bhogabo River Valley and Harappa is in Ravi River Valley. Question number 7 is, consider the following statements and mark the option which is correct. Rice husk has been found from Lothal and Rangpur. Evidence of decorated bricks used in flooring has been found at Kalibangan. A clay model of plough has been discovered from Banwali and the steatite figure of a bearded man has been recovered from Mohenjo-daro. So among these four statements, which statement or statements are correct? All these four statements are correct. Rice husk has been found from Lothal and Rangpur. This is correct. Evidences of decorated bricks used in flooring has been found in Kalibangan. This is also correct. A clay model of plough has been discovered from Banwali. Correct. The steatite figure of a bearded man has been recovered from Mohenjo-daro. This is also correct. The next question is, we have to match column A with column B. So in column A, we have Mohenjo-daro, Chanhu-daro, Lothal and Harappa, and in column B, the findings: Great Bath without citadel, dockyard and sandstone make dancer. So the answer will be, from Mohenjo-daro we found Great Bath, from Chanhu-daro we found a city. Chanhu-daro is a city without citadel. From Lothal we get the evidence of a dockyard, and from Harappa we found sandstone make dancer. Question number 9 is consider the following statements and mark the option which is correct. Broken ivory was used as a scale in Chanhudaro. During burial, bodies were laid in north-south direction and the Great Bath of Harappa. The answer will be 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Broken ivory was used as a scale in Chanhudaro and during burial, bodies were laid down in north and south direction. These two are correct options. And the Great Bath was in Harappa. So the Mohenjo-daro will be our wrong answer. This answer will be Harappa. Question number 10 is consider the following statements and mark the option which is correct. The fertility goddess denotes people's faith in fertility cult. The area occupied by Harappan civilization was circular in shape. Remains of the horse have been discovered from Surkodara and painting on a jar resembling the story of the cunning fox from the Panchatantra has been found in Lothal. So the answer will be 1, 3 and 4. The fertility goddess denotes people's faith in fertility cult. This is correct. Remains of the horse have been found from Surkodara. This is correct. Painting on a jar resembling the story of cunning fox from the Panchatantra has been found in Lothal. This is also correct. The area occupied by the Harappan civilization was circular in shape. This will be triangular in shape. Circular is a wrong answer. Next question is consider the following statements and choose the appropriate options from the answers. Harappan script is regarded as pictographic. The script was Bostrofedon, written from left to right and right to left in alternative lines. And the third statement is the script of the Harappans is not deciphered till now. So the answer will be all are correct. Harappan script is regarded as pictographic. This is correct. The script was Bostrofedon, written from left to right and right to left in alternate lines. This is also correct. And the script of Harappan is not deciphered till now. This is also correct. The next question is consider the following statements about Harappan sites and choose the appropriate one. Harappans knew about horses, but it was not horse-centered. A series of circular platforms has been found between granary and the citadel, which was used for the pounding of grain. The citadel and the platform were crowded one-room dwellings, which suggest slave habitats. The floor is made of bricks along with gypsum and mortar. The answer will be 1, 2 and 4. These three are correct answer, and the citadel and the platform were crowded one-room dwellings and suggest slave habitat. This is a wrong statement. Harappans knew about horses, but it was not horse-centered. This is correct. A series of circular platform has been found between granary and the citadel, which was used for the pounding of grain. Correct. The floor is made of bricks along with gypsum and mortar. This is also correct. The next question is match the following sites with their founders. In left column we have Chanhudaro, Kalibangan, Lothal and Banwali, and in right column we have the founders S.R. Rao, N.G. Majumdar, A. Ghosh and R.S. Vist. The answer will be Chanhudaro was excavated by N.G. Majumdar, Kalibangan was excavated by A. Ghosh, Lothal was excavated by S.R. Rao and Banwali was excavated by R.S. Vist. Question number 14 is consider the following statements and choose appropriate answer about Harappan pottery. Harappan pottery is dark red or bright red and is well baked and uniformly sturdy. Harappan pottery is chiefly wheel made, consists of both painted and plain ware, the plain variety being more common. Harappan pottery was less utilitarian in character. The answers will be all of these. All of these three statements are correct. Harappan pottery is dark red or bright red and is well baked and uniformly sturdy. This is correct. Harappan pottery is chiefly wheel made, consists of both painted and plain ware, the plain variety being more common. This is also correct. And the last statement, Harappan pottery was less utilitarian in character. This is correct. Question number 15 is consider the following statements about the religious practices of Indus Valley civilization. Indus people worshipped God in the forms of trees and animals. People believed in evil forces and used amulets as protection against them. Pashupati was represented in shields as sitting in a yogic posture. There is sufficient evidence from the prevalence of phallic worship. So the answer will be all of this. All of these statements are correct. Indus people worshipped gods in the form of trees and animals. People believed in evil forces and used amulets as protection against them. Correct. Pashupati was represented in shields as sitting in a yogic posture. Correct. There is sufficient evidence for the prevalence of phallic worship. This is also correct. Next question is, which of the above statement is or are true about the Indus Valley civilization? Barley has been found from one of the Indus Valley civilization site. People of Indus Valley civilization used to make pottery. People of Indus Valley civilization used to trade with other countries. So all of these three statements are correct. Barley has been found from one of the Indus Valley civilization sites. Correct. People of Indus Valley civilization used to make pottery. Correct. People of Indus Valley civilization used to trade with other countries. Which of following statement is incorrect about the Indus Valley civilization? People of Indus Valley civilization used to practice metallurgy. No site of this civilization has been found in Haryana region. Animals known to people of Indus Valley civilization include humped bull, rhinoceros, elephant, horse, or all of the above. The answer will be no site of this civilization has been found in Haryana region. This is an incorrect answer. Next question is, which one of the biggest site of Harappan civilization? Rakhigari, Harappa, Lothal, or Dholabira? The answer will be Rakhigari. Rakhigari is the biggest or largest site of the Harappan civilization in India. Which of the following statements regarding the Indus Valley civilization is not true? The excavations at Harappa are attributed to R.B. Dayaram Sahani. The Indus Valley people were not acquainted with the art of spinning and weaving. Generally, houses had an open courtyard and well. The bronze dancing girl was discovered at Mohenjo-daro. The answer will be the Indus Valley people were not acquainted with the art of spinning and weaving. This statement is not true. This statement is a false statement because the people of Indus Valley civilization, they knew the use of or the art of spinning and weaving. Question number 21 is, the main characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization was town planning, drainage system, or well laid out roads. Answer will be all of this. All of these are the main characteristics of Indus Valley civilization. Next question is, rice cultivation and dockyard is associated with the Harappan site of Kalibangan, Harappa, Ropar, or Lothal. The answer will be Lothal. From Lothal, we got the evidences of rice cultivation and a dockyard. The Indus Valley people knew the use of gold, copper, bronze, but not iron, silver, iron, gold, but not bronze, silver, lead, iron, but not copper, or gold, tin, bronze, but not silver. The answer will be gold, copper, bronze, but not iron. They didn't know about iron. Question number 14 is, in site column we have Mohenjo-daro and Kalibangan, and the meaning, and in meaning we have mound of the dead, bangles of clay. So the answer will be both are correctly matched. Mohenjo-daro means mound of dead and Kalibangan means bangles of clay. So both of these sites are correctly matched. Now we have to match these metals with their sources. Lapis lazuli, jade, copper, gold in metal, and in source column we have Khetri, Afghanistan, Kolar, and Pamir. The answer will be Harappan people import lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, jade from Pamir, copper from Khetri, and gold from Kolar. Next question is, which one of the following Harappan sites are in India? Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Banwali and Chanhu-daro, Lothal and Kalibangan, or Lothal and Kordiji? The answer will be Lothal and Kalibangan. These two sites are in India. The last question is, during the Indus Valley Civilization period, the dominant number used for weights and measures was 2, 4, 8 or 16. The answer will be 16. 16 was the dominant number used for weights and measures in Indus civilization. So that is it for today, guys. In our next session, we will be doing question answers from Krishna Reddy's book. So stay connected and thank you for watching this video.